Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Muhammad Ans here, and today we are diving into topic that not only fascinating but also critical for our overall well-being. Food for a healthy gut or stomach. So grab your cup of tea, sit back, and let's explore the wonderful world of gut-friendly delights. Here's our point number one is introduction to gut health. Our gut is like control center of our health. A healthy gut can have a profound impact on our digestion, immunity, and even our mood. So let's start by understanding why and what we can do to keep our gut in tip-top shape. The power of probiotics. First off, let's talk about probiotics. The friendly bacteria that call our gut home are actually probiotics. These little guys are like superheroes of our digestive system. To give them a boost, try incorporating fermented foods into your diet. Think yogurt and other things. Not only are they delicious, but they also promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Here is point number two, fiber-rich goodies. Now, let's shift our focus on to fiber. Fiber is like a broom that sweeps through our digestive system, keeping everything clean and running smoothly. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are fantastic sources of fibers. Brown rice, oats, and berries, and leafy greens. They are also on the menu for happy gut. Next point is unusual heroes. Probiotics, prebiotics, the unsung heroes of gut health. These are like the fuel for our good bacteria. For like garlic, onion, leeks, and bananas are rich in prebiotics, giving those friendly microbes the energy they need to thrive. Next point is this: diversity is key. Remember, when we use and we eat diversity of foods, mean we eat everything, then our gut will be good. Look, diversity is everything. We all knew that. If we eat, it doesn't matter if we eat regular one thing, it's not good for our overall health. So make sure you eat everything and make sure it should be in different forms, different types of foods. Variety is the spice of life, and it's not different when it's come to our gut health. Eating a diverse range of food ensures that we are feeding different types of bacteria, promoting a well-balanced and harmonious gut environment. Here's point 6. Hydration and gut health. Now, let's not forget about the importance of staying hydrated. Water play a vital role in digestion and nutrient absorption. So, make sure you are sipping on that H2O throughout the day to keep your gut happy and hydrated. Next is gut-friendly recipe area. Here we have a beautiful recipe right now. It's recipe time. How about delicious and gut-friendly smoothie? Blend together some yogurt, a handful of berries, banana, and sprinkles of chia seeds. Do you understand? These things we mix together. I repeat it again. We add some yogurt, berries, banana, and sprinkle of seeds. This not only tastes amazing but also provide a powerful punch of probiotics, fibers, and prebiotics for our gut. This recipe is actually I use on daily routine for my gut health. Actually, well, 5 years ago, I was not a good gut. I have most of time stomach issues. So now, because of these things, I knew it. I share it with you guys. So here we have conclusion, and there you have it, Flux. A quick journey into the world of foods for healthy gut. Remember, taking care of our gut is an investment in our overall well-being. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never ever miss any update. Until next video, take care of yourself and your gut, and as always, stay healthy and happy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.